Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Peasy, where we tackle life's toughest challenges and break them down for you. Today, I'm going to teach you one of the most essential things in life, how to drink water. Yes, you heard that right, how to drink water. And if you ever wonder how to drink water, this video is for you. First, you need a drinkable water and anything that can hold water, either a cup, a glass, or a bottle. I have my bottle of water here. First, you unscrew the cap, then you lift the bottle to your mouth. Then you gently tilt the bottle up and let the water flow to your mouth. Now, this part requires some coordination. Do it too fast and you'll be wearing the water instead of drinking it. Then you swallow. See? Easy peasy. Congratulations, you have officially learned how to drink water. To learn more, follow me and don't forget to like and comment.